Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is Redis caching. And this video is a part of AZ203 developing for Microsoft Azure solutions. And this is the caching part, and we're going to cover what is Redis caching. Description is here. Cache for Redis is based on the popular software which is known as Redis. It is typically used as a cache to improve the performance and scalability of systems that rely heavily on backend data stores. Performance is improved by temporarily copying frequently accessed data to fast storage located close to the application. With Azure Cache for Redis, this fast storage is located in memory with Azure Cache for Redis instead of being loaded from a disk by a database. So Azure Cache for Redis can also be used as an in-memory data structure store, a distributed non-relational database, and a message broker. Application performance is improved by taking advantage of the low latency, high throughput performance of the Redis engine. Azure Cache for Redis provides you access to a secure, dedicated Redis cache. Azure Cache for Redis is managed by Microsoft, hosted within Azure, and accessible to any application within or outside of Azure. So the usage of Azure Cache for Redis would be a cache aside. Since a database can be large, loading an entire database into a cache is not recommended. So we use cache aside to load data item into the cache only as needed. So when the system makes changes to the backend data, it can be at that time also update the cache, which is distributed with other clients. We can use it for content caching. It is mostly used for the web pages are generated from templates with headers, footers, toolbars, menus, etc. They don't actually change often and should not be generated dynamically. So by using an in-memory cache like Azure Cache for Redis, it will give the web server quick access to the static content compared to backend data stores. So the data would be cached onto the Redis cache for Azure and would serve to the static web pages. This would reduce processing time and also reduce the server load that would be required to generate content dynamically. This allows web server to be more responsive and can allow to reduce the number of servers needed to handle loads. User session caching. This pattern is commonly used with shopping carts and other user history type information that a web application may want to associate with user cookies. Storing too much in a cookie can have a negative impact on the performance of the cookie, as the cookie size will grow and is passed and validated with every request. A typical solution is to use the cookie as a key to query the data inside a backend database. You can use this for job and message queuing as well. When application receives a request, often the operations associated with the request take additional time to execute. It is a common pattern to defer longer running applications by adding them to a queue, which is processed later and possibly by another server. This method of deferring work is called task queuing. There are many software components designed to support task queues. Azure Cache for Redis also serves this purpose. So this was a short, brief session I wanted to cover about Azure Cache for Redis, and also the description about Redis caching. We'll see more labs in the coming video for Redis caching and more videos for AZ203 developing for Microsoft Solutions exam. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, Azure Cloud Chef. Also hit the bell icon, also to hit the like button. If you have any queries, any feedback, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.